Thank you for having me here. I'd like first to start by saying a big thank you for MEBAA, the Middle East Business Aviation Association in the Middle East and in North Africa. We're very proud members of the association. We strongly believe in its goals and vision for the region. I personally know the chairman on a number of occasions. We've been working very closely together. So in regards to Honeywell participation in this air show, we're focusing on a number of areas across the business. We're focusing on connected aircraft. Connectivity today is a major differentiator for business aviation operators. This is today, as a VIP travelers, it's one of the highest demands to have full access to your day-to-day operation while you're at 40,000 feet up in the sky. The connectivity has moved a lot in the recent years. The VIP customers today enjoy what we call office in the sky. We're also focusing, in addition to the connectivity, we're focusing on maintenance and predictive maintenance. What we see today is that the operators are keeping their aircraft for a longer period, which means they are upgrading it, they are enhancing the equipment on board, they are also complying with all the mandates that are coming today and in the future. So they are today investing in their existing assets more than replacing it with new assets. To do that, we have special programs for them, what we call maintenance programs, that can help them predict their cost of maintenance and reduce the cost of day-to-day operation as well. Again, the Middle East, I'd like to talk on as a Honeywell Aerospace. You know, Honeywell is actually involved not just in business aviation, but we're also involved in the airlines business, the commercial aviation, and in defense and military. For Honeywell Aerospace, the Middle East is a key market. We believe the Middle East are pioneers in adopting new technologies and new innovations. They're always hungry for what comes new, what they can enhance their reputation and their overall position in the world. The whole eyes of the world are always looking at the Middle East. If you look at the show we're in today, and we see the amount of attention it takes and the number of attendees and participants and exhibitors, it's always on the rise, despite some of the challenges we see in the region in terms of geopolitical challenges or regional challenges. We still see the Middle East as a highly important market for us. We strongly believe in that. We have a big setup as a company. Myself, I lead the business here. We have raised the level of our presence in the region. We've expanded our team to support our clients, to be nearer to our clients. We are also very close to, you know, the Saudi 2030 vision, the UAE 2030 vision. This is something Honeywell relates very close to, and hence we strongly believe that this region is going to be here for the long run, and we also believe it's continuing to grow as well. Again, you know, for us, the VIP operation or the business aviation goes hand in hand with overall aerospace operation. We need those corporates, those businessmen, those VIPs to have direct access to anywhere they need in the world. Business aviation has created a lot of opportunities in the region in terms of connecting people together. The region is also very well known for the interest of the high net worth individuals in doing business with the local population, with the local businessman, and across the whole region. Countries like UAE and Saudi are key markets for OEMs as well, where we see still a number of important deliveries. Last, I want to say that the Middle East is very unique in terms of the type of aircraft that they attract. This is where you see the highest population of large body and single aisle bodies on the VIP platforms like the BBJs and ACJs, the large Gulfstreams, the large Globals, the large Falcons. It's a very attractive market. The OEMs strongly believe in the market. Us as vendors and partners, we strongly believe in this market. In terms of challenges, obviously, I said that before, you know, there are certain situations or geopolitical situation here that if they are resolved, they'll also add to the growth and the continuous growth that the region has been witnessing. I also want to add that there's still some limitation on the infrastructure of business aviation. I believe strongly that we need more FBOs, we need more MROs, local MROs, completion centers, and overall, that region is actually in line for future kind of growth if we can get these elements all together.